Hi there, welcome to my spring house tour. I've decorated just a little bit around the front with some garlands of tulips that I picked up at Michael's, and then my pink tulip wreath that I got from Grandin Road last year. Come right on in. I don't do nearly as much decorating for spring as I do for fall or for Christmas, but I like to add some springy touches all around the house. In my tulipery here, I have added yellow tulips. They're artificial, so I'll have them all spring long. And then back here, some of the beautiful pink cherry blossoms. I just love these. They come from Amazon and they sell out every year. I will share the link to the cherry blossoms in the description below. Welcome to the living room. There's not a lot of decor in here for the holidays. I've added a few bunny pillows and I made this lovely lantern arrangement that has an Easter bunny inside it and beautiful floral decor on top with some fun, colorful pastel ribbons. Here in the family room is where we spend most of our time. I've switched out all my pillow covers for bright white pillow covers to brighten it up for the season. Up here on the mantle, I have more of those cherry blossoms, some pretty pink tulips, and of course a chocolate Easter bunny, although it's artificial. And then I've happened to have a fresh flower arrangement over here and this old flocked bunny that he's starting to lose his flocking. He may be going this year. On the coffee table, I've just placed an arrangement of blue hydrangeas. On the sofa, I have a vintage quilt that I have tucked over it. Again, just to brighten things up for the season. And then on the sofa table, I have my favorite thing this year, and that's my giant chocolate bunny, again, artificial chocolate, and he is sitting in a dough bowl full of hydrangeas and oversized Easter eggs. I have the link to him and will put it in the description below. Here in the tavern room, I have set a table for a lovely spring luncheon. I've added a fresh flower centerpiece and 2 tiered trays of sweet desserts. My chalkboard is all decorated. Happy Easter. I have a dear friend who decorates it for me. I didn't do it. And then one of the 2 large bows that I made is hanging up above it. On my little ledge above my cooktop, I've added pots of artificial daffodils, perfect for springtime. A casual spring table set here in the kitchen with lovely Hester & Cook placemats. And I did this all in green and white. These are Bordalo Pinheiro geranium plates, and I've topped them with a green napkin with a little cabbage napkin ring, and I've added little individual charcuterie baskets to them. The flower arrangement is a fresh flower arrangement that I have made. Make sure that you check it out. All of the flower arrangements here in the house today, I have a YouTube video on how to make them. I hope you've enjoyed this brief spring home tour showing what I do to bring spring indoors this time of year. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I would be happy to answer them. And again, I will put some links to some of the products that I use here in my house in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here.